must be a ground wire because it's a little bit connected to something there. This one here comes out, I think. Okay. So, the leg bone connects it to the neck bone. Probably what I ought to do is unhook every one of these things. And I think what I'll do is, I could unwrap the wires on that, but I think I'll just take my little leather man and snip them all the way across. That way I won't have 35 or 40 little pieces of tape laying down in the floor. Yep, that's what I think I'm gonna do. What I think I'm gonna do. I could try giving them a little pull. I don't know how well they've been put in here. Sometimes, look at that, piece of cake. Sometimes you can just pull them out. Yep, like that. I need me a little garbage can to throw all these things in. Let's see if I can find me an old tuna fish can or something. Oh, the joy. Now, it surprises me that this radio that I'm unwiring here was done at a professional radio shop, and it surprises me that they didn't even solder the wires. Looks like all they did was wrap them and tape them, which is not the way I would have done it. That would have been the way I would have done it when I was a kid and didn't know better. Alright, that's all we're going to say about that. We're going to talk about that anymore, are we? No. We're not. Fire sakes. Great ball of fire. I need a little more tea. My throat's getting dried out from talking too much. Maybe that's the sign that I ought not to talk so much. Could be. Could be. Uh-oh. One of these pulled out. Look at that. That comes loose right there. Well, that's interesting. There. That's the heart of the matter right there. And this is the other heart of the matter, and that goes to that, and that'll go to those things. Oh, the joy. Lovely. It's so lovely. Okay. So I'm going to go get them other things over there.